Don't be scared of the crocodiles below.
Hey everyone, we are going on an Africa trek. So, why don't you come along with us? I'll meet you guys there. Welcome to Animal Kingdom.
Are you excited about the trek?
I am.
Can you show me what you have on for gear?
Ready, Bubba?
Let
I
me see
have
what
on
you
an
have for gear.
earpiece so I can hear them. I've got a water bottle, a name tag, and all these other equipment. that I can't tell
And
you.
you're wearing a harness.
Yes.
You have no loose gear whatsoever.
Nope. And I have a harness on and I'm ready to go. Very, very. Your phone is even connected. They did a cord on our phone so that if it falls, and our sunglasses. Our sunglasses are attached.
That's this little radio box that we kind of got dangling off of your harness pop. Mine's cool. Good question already. Mine's a little different. Mine's a little special. Mine kind of makes it so I can talk into your ear.
What was it? Was it awesome?
Yes.
Don't be scared of the crocodiles below.
It is cool.
Did you see any crocodiles?
Yes.
You did?
They were actually gonna go right over the crocodiles.
Were you scared?
No.
Not at all?
More fun.
What about when your brother started taking the bridge?
Nope.
Nope.
It's me though.
Crocodiles don't scare her.
Where is it?
But bees.
Where is the bee?
Cheetahs, crocodiles, those don't scare them, but bees. Oh, the bees are scary.
Terrifying.
Perfect.
And there's Daddy made it across too. I have to say, this is the coolest African trek I have taken so far, and I am still in the United States, but this bridge is so cool. You're going over water, over crocodiles. It's kind of tricky to walk on, but it's so much fun. And then you have everybody going in the safari vehicles, and you're kind of part of the scenery. It's so cool. You guys, that is what's below us. Crocodiles. Oh my gosh.
Come on through. You're gonna open that gate right in front of you. It goes all the way behind you and take a big step across that yellow line for me.
He is crossing, and that is what he is crossing over. Huge crocodiles. Like so many crocodiles. Just looking at him like he's lunch. Are you scared? Is what was underneath that rope bridge, these huge crocodiles. Look at how big they are. See, that's the bridge we went over, and this is what we went over. And now we're getting on our African vehicle. Where are we going next?
Well, I was gonna drive over top of that tree, but they said no. They brought in their own driver. I think that's probably best for everybody involved. Yeah.
So here is our snack on African Trek. We've got some granola and cheese and fruit and a flour.
Yogurt too.
And yogurt. And what's at the bottom? These little containers. Granola bar, chocolate croissants, and is that trail mix?
Yes, the Nature Valley bar.
Those are so cool. So this is our snack break, and then we also have some guava juice, water.
So we just got done with our tour. It was really good.
It's called the Wild Africa Trek, and it is a reservation special tour that you can book. It is amazing. It's 3 hours long. It included the brunch type of breakfast that we got.
Yep.
It's so amazing. So if you're here and you're looking to do something that's a little out of the ordinary, a little off the beaten track, we hiked. What else did we do? We saw
like all kinds of different animals.
Yes, we saw
went
them
on
feeding
bridges.
hippos.
Yes, we saw them feed hippos.
And the bridges was so cool. Now, what was under the bridges?
Crocodile.
Crocodiles. It was so crazy. So it was like the most amazing tour. And this is at Animal Kingdom, and it's right back there. It's called Wild Africa Trek, and you can book it in advance. They have, I think, a morning tour and an afternoon tour, but
We highly recommend it.
highly recommend it. This is the first time we've ever done it, and it's
Yep.
fantastic. It's way more than the safari that you normally take at the park. It's just like a step further, a great family activity. So
Yes.
that is it, guys. Thanks for coming along with us today on our special tour.
Yep. Thanks everyone, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe.
Yep. All right. We'll see you
See ya.
later. Bye, guys.